Arabic language found in the Quran and the Sunnah. He says, اللسان ليس مقصورا على اللسان والعرب فحسب بل هو حد شامل له ولكل لسان وهو ضربان أحدهما حفظ الألفاظ الدالة لكل لسان وما يدل عليه لشيء منها وذلك كقولنا طويل قصير عامل عالم جاهل والثاني and the second thing والثاني في علم قوانين تلك الألفاظ ومعنى القوانين أقاويل جامعة تنحصر في كل واحد منها أشياء كثيرة مما تشتمل عليه تلك الطريقة حتى يأتي على جميع الأشياء التي هي مصوغة للعلم بها أو على أكثرها. وابن سيدة هو أول من استعمل كلمات أو كلمة اللسانيات كما ورد في مقدمة المحكم. So he says language is not limited to Arabic alone, as in the knowledge of how to learn a language is not limited to Arabic alone, but rather it is a universal concept that applies to all languages. And this is something that, obviously when we come to many of our students at Anders Institute, for example, learning the Arabic language is the second language that they are learning. They know two languages now, or they know one language, which is their mother tongue, and the second language, which is learn the Arabic language. So they think that all of these rules and all of these ways and all of this, when it comes to the concepts of how to learn a language, they think is only for the Arabic language. But Ibn Sina here, he clearly says language, as in, linguistics, how to learn a language, is not limited to Arabic alone. Then he says, the first is the memorization of words and expressions that signify meaning in every language, such as tall, short, worker, scholar,